My name's Sue Brady and I'm the Acting Parking Enforcement and CCTV Manager. I manage a team of 32 civil enforcement officers with 4 team leaders. On a day-to-day basis, they do have verbal abuse, and a lot of them don't bother with things like that because it's just one of those things. But some of them have encountered like assaults and stuff like that, being spat at, and without the evidence to back them up, the police were not willing to go forth with a prosecution. And we looked into body-worn cameras because we felt that this was the best way of supporting them. When we were looking at getting body-worn cameras, we looked at several other designs, but we liked the body-worn cameras because you could move the head. That was quite a good feature. Also, the fact that you supply them to the police, we thought, well, if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for us. Since we started working with Reveal, I have to say the experience has been really good. We've got 46 body-worn cameras. Every officer is issued with one and the team leaders, and we have a few spares just in case. Having the camera there is a huge deterrent. If you get an angry driver, as soon as they see it, they change their behaviour because they don't want somebody to have footage of them shouting and swearing. The cameras have been useful, particularly one case which really sticks out. We had a driver was being rude to, he was swearing at him and pushing him, and it got taken to court and he got charged. If he hadn't have had the body-worn camera, nothing would have happened. It wouldn't have been a prosecution because the police wouldn't have had any evidence, so we would be in the same position that we were before we had the body-worn cameras. I find the DEMS programme easy to work with. I use it, one of my guys in my review team also uses it, and the team leaders use it because they obviously, if there is footage to download, they'll download it. We store it as evidence if it needs storing as evidence. We were contacted by a few other councils who asked if they could use our policy, and we're happy to share. If you don't have a clear policy of how you're going to deal with things when they come in, then you could be really shooting yourself in the foot.